Research shows that practicing gratitude is a great way to build a happier mindset, reduce stress, avoid burnout, and foster lasting positive change in your life. Clever Fox Gratitude Journal will help discover gratitude, build self-awareness, or extend your existing gratitude practice. It is filled with prompts, questions, and exercises to help you focus on the good and build a happier mindset for the years to come. This journal comes in a standard A5 size and measures 5.8 inches by 8.3 inches. It has a soft-touch vegan leather hardcover, thick 120 GSM pages, 3 colored bookmarks, a back pocket, a pen loop, and an elastic closure. Inside, you will also find an illustrated user manual with step-by-step instructions. The journal lasts 3 months with 2 journaling pages per day. The pages are undated, so you can take a break and skip as many days as you need without wasting space. Start your day by filling out the morning page. Set your goal for the day and write down one thing you are excited about. Then list all the things you are feeling grateful for that day. This exercise might be challenging at first, but it will become easier as you go. Try to practice gratitude as often as you can. It will help you notice all the small things you are blessed with in your life and start the day on a positive note. Every morning page also includes 2 unique questions that will help you learn more about yourself and deepen your gratitude practice. These questions change daily, so you can explore a new area every day. End your morning practice by choosing an affirmation you want to practice. Practicing affirmations is an excellent method to help you overcome negative thoughts and avoid self-sabotaging. Try to dedicate some time during the day to repeating your daily affirmation to see a positive shift. At the end of the day, reflect on how your day went using the evening page. Consider how you felt. Record the best things you've experienced, things you did to make a positive difference, and lessons you've learned. Take your time and think about your answers here. You are likely to remember something you overlooked earlier during the day. Finally, list everything you are looking forward to tomorrow or sometime in the future. This exercise will help build motivation and feel inspired by what's to come. Dedicate some time every week to completing a weekly exercise. Each of them aims to help you learn more about yourself. At the end of the week, fill out the weekly review. Here, you can record your wins, track habits and skills, and reflect on how the week went. Answer the prompts and questions on this page. Think about how you could make the next week better, and record a memorable quote or phrase. At the end of the month, complete the monthly wellness check to see how happy you are in different areas of your life. If you notice something is lacking, think about how you could improve it next month. Then answer the questions on the next page to consider the things that made you happy, the challenges you have faced, and how these challenges made you stronger. All these tools will help you launch an exciting journey of self-discovery and make gratitude a part of your everyday life. Clever Fox Planner. Stay organized. Stay clever.